In front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Silent to disable or enable haptic feedback in silent mode. You can also tap on Vibrate on Tap and click on one of those options to choose intensity of your touch vibrations, like medium, or click on off at the top to disable them completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!